Okay, so if I had $1,500 to spend, what would I build with a PC? See, this PC actually just cost me $760. I might be selling it in the future. Just keep an eye out. I'll probably make a video about that. So if I had $1,500 to spend, I would go with the $500 build from Micro Center. Again, I'm promoting a Micro Center bundle because they have one of the best deals. They have a lot of stock in my store, 9 in stock for $500, and then I would get a 7900 GRE. See, so right now it is $500. Then for case, I would get something within $100 build, and everything else within like $150 to $100 build mark for cable extensions, etc. If you want to copy this build, feel free to do so. It's a good build.